So I'm Dirk, I'm Vice President of the Technology Operations Department at RTL2. RTL2 is a German broadcaster, and we broadcast nationwide. And originally we had production companies for on-air productions, so usually we do not do productions ourselves at RTL2. But with the pandemic, we had to need to have some marketing and commercial events, and everything had to be done from our offices, from our premises. And then we decided to build a master control room, and we installed meanwhile 5 render engines with zero density there. And we have a very flexible setup, so we have not a fixed installation, not a fixed green screen, but we rebuild it every time after the needs of our marketing department. We've been using zero density for 2 years right now. We met the KST guys, so it was a contract from Panasonic to KST, and therefore we were introduced to zero density and very interested in. And so we have very short ways at RTL2, and we just tested it and installed it and had it running. So the very interesting thing about zero density is that you do not need an external chroma key. It's all inside. You get a ready-to-air video signal out of your render engine, which you can mix on your video production mixer. And as many render engines you have, as many video signals you have at the mixer. So it's just like working with normal cameras. It's fantastic for handling.